Okay, so now in Module 3.9, here we go. Here comes the fun. If you can multiply a binomial times a binomial, you can multiply any size expression together. So in this section, we're going to multiply a binomial times a trinomial. So recall, what does binomial mean? 2 terms. What does trinomial mean? 3 terms. Think about it related to 3rd grade. What I'm really asking you to do is multiply a 2-digit number times a 3-digit number. Now think, if I was asking you to multiply 45 times 123, you know you'd have to work that out on paper. But when you went and lined that up vertically, which number would you line up first? Correct, you would put the 3-digit number because it has more place values. So you would put 123 times 45, and then you would start your whole distributing process. Correct? So guys and gals, the same is true in algebra. If I ask you to multiply the binomial 4x minus 5 to the trinomial x squared plus 2x plus 3, the easiest way to do that is to think about 3rd grade math, to line it up vertically. But when I line it up vertically, I would put the term with more parts first. So I would take the trinomial x squared plus 2x plus 3, write it first, put underneath it 4x minus 5. And then I would start my distributing process. I would start with the ones place, the -5, and here I go. I would do -5 times the 3, gives me my -15. I would do the -5 times the 2x, I would get -10x. I would do the -5 to the x squared, and I would get -5x squared. Then I put my placeholder 0 because I'm done with the ones place, and now I'd move to the tens place. And in the tens place is my 4x, and I would start the process over. 4x times positive 3 is positive 12x. 4x times positive 2x would be positive 8x squared, because till the day you die, x times x is x squared. I would do the 4x times the x squared. 4x times x squared. Well, 4 times 1 is 4, and x times x squared would give me x cubed. So that's where I get my 4x cubed. Again, why do I prefer this method? Because now that you have your columns, all your like terms are already lined up. You don't got to worry about who do I add together, which terms do I subtract together. Let's look. The only term that has an x cubed is the 4. So I'd bring down my 4x cubed. I have -5x squared and positive 8x squared. Because they're different signs, I would subtract and get 3x squared, positive. I have a -10x and a positive 12x. Again, because the signs are different, I would subtract and I get positive 2x. And then my constant at the end is -15. I will double check, make sure I'm in the correct descending order, which I am. 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x minus 15. And that is how you multiply a binomial times a trinomial. So I'll see you in the video, and we'll do one on the board.